Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Virtu Toys channel. Hot, hot off the shelf. I've just gotten this today, and I did a quick unbox during Facebook for a Collector's Cube Facebook Live, and immediately I definitely want to share with you guys this latest release from YM model, the Honda NSX Liberty Works. Oh, okay, in full black. I think during pre-order, it's not in the packaging, so it's not really as black as this. We did get a chance to see the car, but being able to see the real thing itself, it's really very cool. I quite like that the whole thing is in black. Okay, so just show you a quick 360 of the packaging. I think it's a very straightforward YM model, very basic box. Okay, at the back there's a silhouette of an NSX Liberty Works logo 64. Okay, so it actually came with the protector. Do I have it here? Do I have one with me? No, I don't have one with me here. It came with a protector, okay, from the factory, and I've got it out already, and I've did an unbox as well. So yeah, here I definitely want to share you guys in full HD. Okay, this is pretty crazy, because one of the thing that we anticipate this NSX, right, is because of these things here. These things here. Okay, so this NSX, right, I'm sure you've probably seen the new one as well, the Avant pre-order that has closed very recently, because that it obviously showed that it comes with an extra set of headlamps, so you can have it closed or popped up. Okay, that is really very nice from YM model. Very nice from YM model. So this one, the casing comes with the sticker, okay, double screws. Let's get it out. So there's a running number as well. 699 pieces was made. So when I got it out, right, actually it did feel kind of strange. The two black holes there, okay, it did feel a little bit strange. Okay, there's a little bit of a groove there as well, so that is supposed to let the lights slot in easily. Okay, so 699 pieces. This is number 481, limited edition NSX Liberty Works YM model. Okay, wow, look at that. You know what, let's get it out of the base. Okay, let's get it out of the base, and then we shall check it out. I'm wondering if I'm gonna leave fingerprint all over this black, because so far of all the models that I've handled, right, I think only, I'm gonna mention this as well, I think only Inspire model with their RWB Beetle, right, that was the one where that I felt quite crazy, where yeah, basically very minimal fingerprint was left on the car, even when as and when I touch it and remove my fingers, compared to any other black cars that black scale models that I've seen, that I've touched over the years. Okay, all right, so yeah, this one leaves the, okay, got it out of base. Let's just get it out. Oh, okay, yep, there is some left over from the box. Okay, hang on, I'm gonna put it aside so I don't create a mess of of the other cars. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up as well, hope you don't mind. Okay, get it out of the way. Oh man, look at that black. This is freaking nuts, man. This is really nuts. Look at that. Okay, because during live, right, I wasn't able to really show the wheels as well, because everything is in black. So I hope I'm able to show it here. Let's just increase the brightness a little bit. There we go. I'm just gonna forcefully increase the brightness, right, and you can see the wheels, because it's something, some things you can only see in person, right? So I just try to do whatever I can so I can show you. Okay, the side view of this thing is really crazy, even before installing the headlamps. Okay, look at that. So this body kit, right, was introduced in January 2020, only last year. Okay, and it cost 13,100 USD. Okay, it takes about 8 to 12 weeks to install, I think. And then you can choose air freight. I think it's 1 week. If you choose sea freight, it's because it's shipped from Japan. So if it's sea freight, it's about 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, it's basically this body kit, right? It's available on their website. You can buy it off their website right now, actually. Nice, look at that. Oh damn, I didn't know even this exists until YM Model decided to do it. Look at it, man. So some do debate a little bit because the NSX is such a iconic collector's car. So you know that there is a debate of, you know, do you want to do this to a collector's car, you know, because the value of these clean NSX is really very hard to find nowadays, and then to do, you know, this to an NSX is quite crazy. But I think, in my own opinion, I think this is tastefully done. I don't think it's overboard. Okay, it managed to maintain all that NSX flair. That is very nice. That is very nice. So for the 13,000, right, USD, you get the spoiler, you get the diffuser, the front lip, the skirts, okay, and the white body fenders. Oh, look at that! Look at that thing! This is pretty crazy. Okay, I did notice on some articles, because this car was actually on show, I think during the Tokyo Auto Salon 2020. Okay, I did see red bright seats on some videos, so this is really according to the real car. Okay, I do quite like that is some details in there as well. You can see some details. Can I zoom in to show you? You can see some details in here. That is very nice as well. I really like how the black really shine. That's very nice. Yes, yeah, it does leave a little bit of a fingerprint on it, but I'll just clean that up later. Oh, damn, this is so good. This just looks so damn good. Okay, so it gives you basically 4 little pieces of the lamp. Maybe I'm going to show you both. This is a NA1. Okay, so it has that pop-up headlamps. So you just roughly guess, right? I'm guessing this one is on the, oops, I'm gonna guess. Okay, based on the grooves, right, there is a slight gap at the back nearer to the cockpit. Okay, so this would be the front part. So this one is the left headlamp. Okay, very easily just slot it in. Okay, it goes in quite easily. Hang on. It slots in quite easily, actually. Did I get it on right? Yep. Okay. There we go. There's one. That's one, and this is the other one. Okay, again, same thing. It has a little gap, okay, which is at the back. So even with my very long fingernails, right, it's not really that difficult to slot it in. Here we go. There we go. Look at that. Oh shit, this looks so damn good. Got a bit of fingerprint on it, so oh shit. Oh, look at that. Damn. Check that out. Looks so good. Oh my god. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. I'm trying to find out more as well. I think the rims, right, these are actually Advanced Racing rims. I don't know the actual name of it, but in one of the article I did see that, you know, these are actually Advanced Racing rims. Yeah. Okay, let me see if I can remove it and remove the headlamps and show you the other option, because it does feel like it fits in quite tight, so I'm gonna see how I can remove it, because it slot in quite, it did feel like a little snap. So what I did here is I'm gonna use a black tag to remove it. Okay, just gonna use a black tag to remove it. Oops. Okay, easier like that. Okay, and then let's try on the headlamps. This one is here, so it goes in here. Okay, this one sits, it just sits on top quite loose compared to, yeah, see, it just falls in like that. That is nice as well. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, this thing is crazy. Damn, I love the side profile. Okay, gotta love that side profile. Damn it. Look at that. Look at it. Oh. Okay, now we check out the back. Okay. Nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. I'm looking forward to the Avant version. Damn. Cool. Oh, that's me silent because I'm just so enjoying this. Alright, cool. Okay, of course we must add in a couple of figures to make it. Let's get Kato-san in there, and then we get a sexy lady as well. There we go. There, very nice. Alright, cool. So yeah, that's it for this round. Damn. Okay, do hit the like button, right? Do hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, because that would help me out a lot on the YouTube algorithm. Do follow us on Collector's Cube on Facebook. That's where I do a lot of unboxing. Okay, and so that's it from us for this time around. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next diecast video. Alright, thank you. Bye.